What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction represents part of a whole. This whole can be any object. It can be a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, a piece of pizza, or even a train. Let's look at the following fraction, which is 1/2. With this proper fraction, notice that the top number is less than the bottom number. This is always true with proper fractions. The top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. So, with that said, a proper fraction is made up of 3 parts. The top number is called the numerator. The line that separates the 1 and the 2 is called the fraction bar. The bottom number, it is called the denominator. Now that we know the parts of a proper fraction, how can we represent this fraction? Well, since a proper fraction is part of a whole, we need something whole to represent this fraction. Let's create a whole circle. Okay, the bottom number, which is 2, tells us how many pieces we need to divide this whole circle into. So let's divide the circle into 2 pieces. Let's use a red line to divide the circle. Okay, our whole circle now has 2 pieces, or has been divided into 2 pieces. 1, 2. Now let's look at the top number, which is 1. This is the numerator. This tells us how many parts we have, or the parts that we are going to get, or the parts that we are going to fill in. It really depends, actually. Depends on the object and what we are trying to represent. For this demonstration, the 1, which is the numerator, is going to represent the number of parts we need to fill in, which, since it is 1, we just need to fill in 1 part of this whole circle, which is divided into 2 pieces. So we use the red line to divide our whole circle into 2 pieces. Next, we are going to use the numerator, which is 1, to fill in one of these pieces. Let's fill in the left piece. Make note, the left side, which I filled in with green, represents the numerator, which is the top number, which is 1. Also, we used a red line to divide our circle into 2 pieces. With all of that being accomplished, our circle now represents 1/2. Well, that is all for now. Until next time, where I dive a little deeper into proper fractions.